Hello, my name is Susan Graham, and I'm going to talk about how does the U.S. Supreme Court work. I have received a series of calls from my clients who've asked, what's happening in the Supreme Court? How do they get to make the kind of decisions they make? Well, I'm going to share with you how that process works. First, I want to tell you briefly about my office. It's called Senior Edge Legal, and we focus on clients who are retired or anticipating retirement. And we help them include in their estate plans ways to protect their independence, their assets, and their families now and when they're gone. So let's talk about the Supreme Court and how it actually works. The Supreme Court has 9 members, and they're appointed for life. They're appointed by the President of the United States, or they're nominated by the President, and then the Senate decides if they can be a Supreme Court justice or not. The term that they have runs from the first Monday in October to the end of June. Most of the decisions come out in June or the very early part of July. So how does this all work? How do they actually decide what cases to take? What happens is there's a decision in a lower court, and there's always 2 sides, the plaintiff and the defendant. And one of those sides is not happy with the decision. So they ask the court for the ability to have that reviewed by the Supreme Court. They can get in that court $7,000 to $8,000 requests every year, and they only accept about 80. A case can be accepted if 4 of the justices agree that it should be accepted. Then what happens is the lower court sends up the full record to the Supreme Court, and it's all the written testimony and all the supporting legal documents supporting one side and the other. And then the parties who have brought this before the Supreme Court, the 2 sides, they file written briefs and attach other information from the lower court decisions. Then there's a hearing, a public hearing, and each side gets to argue in front of the 9 justices why their position is correct. They have 30 minutes to do that. And of course, there's give and take. You've seen that on TV or on the radio. The justices ask questions and then the attorneys respond. Each side has 30 minutes. And then the court adjourns and they go to their different offices and they have a variety of meetings over the months and then make a decision. The majority wins. Sometimes justices offer additional decisions that they write out saying, I support the majority position and I have these few extra things to talk about. And sometimes they dispute the majority decision and they put in their reasons why that is disputed. So all of those opinions from the justices are included in the final version. But what counts is what the majority says. This is an important part of our government. It's one of the 3 pillars. There's the Supreme Court. There's the administrative side of our federal government, which is the president and all those agencies. And then there's the legislative branch, which is the Senate and the House of Representatives. So I appreciate having this opportunity to share this information with you. If you would like to meet with me to help you accomplish your estate planning goals, please contact my office, 208-344-0375. You'll speak with one of my employees. They'll ask a few questions to see if we have a potential good fit to move forward to help you secure your estate planning goals. Thank you for listening to this program.